A wy'n siŵr weles i hwn, sy'n ar y brig ar hyn o bryd, o dan gyfrwy ddod, y fe?
Do, wedi ennill ddo, a hefyd best o bryd ar hyn o bryd yn London International Horse Show.
Wel, nawr te, mae yna densiwn yn canol y brifgylch wrth i'r beirniad Gareth Price benderfynu, dod i diwedd benderfynu beth yw'r march adran by gorau y flwyddyn hyn. A dyna ni, mae Steff a'r march Bacpertyn, y march Cymraeg wedi cael dod nôl i'r brig. Dim cwestiwn o gwbl am dewis yr march Cadlan Valley yma. I ennill dosbarth bach o nigwyddol cryf wedyn ni, yn dywe?
Odi, gyda sawl march wedyn ni'n dda iawn yn o'r blaen. Wedyn Waxwing Penny Post yn ail wedyn.
Yn ail, ni'n gweud pwy mor dda mae fe wedi wneud, ond dyna beth yw dangos, yn dyfe?
Yn dyfe.
Amser enillodd e barn un person i hwnna, heddi barn Mr Price sy'n bwysig, dim neb arall, a dyna fel mae plesio'r ponies yn gallu mynd, yn dyfe?
Yn union. Masterclass yn cael wythnos arbennig yn ennill ddod a'n gyfrwy ac yn ennill heddi mewn llaw.
Ydy, mae e'n bonni trwy yn dywe am afen Gymraeg.
Odi.
Rhyw ffordd anodd gweud, rhywbeth pert, dyma bach o drwch. Mae fe gyd. Dyna beth yw masterclass yn patrwn y poni, yn dyfe?
Ie.
Steff o hyd yn paratoi ponis mor dda, yn dwi?
Odi, chwarae teg maiddi.
Drech ar y gran.
Dwi'n credu bod hwn wedi baratoi o ran tegwch gyda Cadlan Valley.
Odi, ma nhw.
Odi, gan bo Libby
Eto,
Grwta.
Sir Benfro eto, mae'r gwair yn dda yn Sir Benfro. A dyma ni enillydd yr meirch adran by Masterclass. Cadlan Valley Masterclass yw ei enw fe. A fe ddreodd e Masterclass i ni fyd wrth ddangos i siap a'i batrwn a pwy mor dda ma fe.
Well, dwi yma gyda Steff Mansfield o Fanceinion. Steff, you're very emotional here. Can you put into words what this horse means to you?
Yeah, he's my absolute world. And, he was champion of the ridden yesterday, and we just entered him just for, we might as well just put him in. I didn't expect this result, so sorry.
Just came, don't you dare apologise. Just came for a trot around and you're going home with the winning Stallion.
Like I said, he was in the ridden yesterday, and it's hard. I mean, I don't know whether any other bees have done the ridden and the in-hand in the same day, in the same week, so
something we'll definitely have to look into, yeah. He has not dampened his performance at all. He clearly loves the Royal Welsh Show. And what are the future plans for him now?
He's qualified for Hoys this year, so he's got Hoys in October in the saddle. You know, Libby's ridden him for 3 years. He was best breed at Olympia. He won the Royal Welsh as a yearling, so to win it as a stallion now is amazing.
Yeah, I can tell how much this means to you. And Libby, of course, from Cardigan, her and her mother bred the pony. She now rides him, but he is very much yours,
yes,
isn't he?
So he's got some mares to cover at some point when he comes back home. And I was going to do more in hand classes.
Well, go and enjoy every second of this stuff. Very well done.